Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these little coin purses. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. I'm going to work a chain of 30. So to make a chain, you simply pick up the yarn and pull it through the loop on the hook. So I'm going to chain 30. Okay, I have chained 30. You can chain any number that you like. What you're looking for is a chain that is long enough that you're going to fold it over, and then you're going to be able to fold it down to have the little flap. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. 1, 2. Make a single crochet. To make a single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn and pull it through both loops on the hook. And you're going to go ahead and make a single crochet in each stitch all the way down the chain, all the way down the chain. Okay, I worked all the way down the chain, and there's my last stitch. In the last stitch, I'm going to make 3 single crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, 3 in the same stitch, and I'm going to put a marker in the center stitch. And now I'm going to single crochet all the way down this row. So go to the next stitch and single crochet. And I'm going to single crochet in every stitch all the way down the row. All the way down the row. Okay, I worked all the way down the row. There's my curved section. Chain 1 and turn. Working in the back side of the stitch only all the way down this row. Single crochet in each stitch all the way down the row. So go ahead and single crochet in each stitch until we get down to this curved section. Okay, I worked all the way down the row. There's my 3 stitches in that corner stitch. So there's 1, 2, 3. There's the mark in the center stitch. So I'm going to make 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and 2 single crochet. So 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. So you have 2, 2, and 2. And these are the center 2. And I'm going to put a marker right here between the 2 stitches. And now single crochet in each stitch all the way down the row. Okay, I worked all the way down the row. And I've reached the end of my row. Chain 1 and turn. Still working in the back side of the stitch. Going to single crochet in each stitch all the way down to the curved section again. That all the way down to here. So I've worked all the way down to the curve, and now I'm just going to make 1 single crochet in each one of the curved stitches. So single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, and there's the 2 single crochet in that stitch. So now we're going to put our marker right here and single crochet all the way down the row. Okay, I worked all the way down the row, and I'm back here again. I'm going to chain 1 and turn, single crochet in each stitch all the way down the row, all the way down the row until we get here to this section. Okay, I've worked all the way down here. So count the 6 stitches here, make 2 single crochet in each one. So 1 and 2, 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 and the last one, 1 and 2. And now single crochet in each stitch all the way down to this end. Okay, I worked all the way down to the end. And we're going to mark our center stitch here as well. And if you're unsure which stitch to mark, just follow this line up, the line from the center. Just go right up to there. And that's the stitch I'm going to mark. So chain 1 and turn, single crochet in each stitch all the way down the row, right up to the curved section. All the way down the row until we get here. Okay, I've reached the curved section, and this is going to be my buttonhole row. So I'm just going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch until I reach here. So there's where my buttonhole is going to be. So I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to skip that stitch and then work into this stitch. I'll take that out. Now I have an opening there, and I have a selection of buttons here. I could use a little button like this, and I'm going to use this button, so I'm just going to check to make sure that it's going to fit through that opening. And now I'm just going to single crochet in each remaining stitch until I reach the end of the row. Okay, I've worked all the way down the row. If you'd like to make your little pouch larger, you could do 1 more row and just do 1 single crochet in each stitch. So now I'm just going to fold it up like this, and this will come down for the flap, and I'll sew my button right there below the buttonhole. So now you can either slip stitch the side seams or sew them with a needle and thread. And there you have a little pouch. And if you started with a longer foundation chain, you could make this into a cell phone pouch. And this one was worked with 2 strands of worsted weight yarn. And this one with 1 strand of Bernat Softy Chunky yarn. And that's how easy it is to crochet this little pouch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.